So interesting story. Quantity or quality? Who knows in terms of work? So obviously planning things and making things up in your head feels great, feels fantastic. It's all in your head. It's all there, beautiful. However, you will not be able to know the right questions. You will not have the right answers if action comes into place because it's all in your head. An interesting story. There has been a teacher who divided the class in two parts. One part was marked up on quality, and the very best and nicest photography picture was the one that got marked highest. The other part of the class was ranked up on the quantity. They were supposed to take 100 pictures for highest marks. And obviously, expectedly, the best pictures would come from the quality group. Controversially, the best pictures came from the quantity group because you cannot know the questions you cannot know. Sometimes you only get the real answers in action. So what you want to do is you want to keep learning and you want to grow with your challenges. So keep growing, keep learning.